Android package installer not working. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix if your Android package installer is not working. Now, the first thing is scroll down your notification bar and go to settings by tapping on the settings icon that you can find on the top right of your screen. Now, once on your settings, scroll down and search for apps and click on it, and once on apps, go ahead. Now it won't show randomly your system apps, so click on the three dots that you can find on the top right corner of your screen and tap on show system processes. Now once you do it, your system processes will be shown on these apps. Now what you can do is simply search package installer. Now once you type package, it should show up. You can see package access helper and package installer. Now since we want to fix our package installer, simply open package installer by tapping on it, and the first thing is tap on the first option that you can see on your screen, and once you tap on it, you will get the notification that it may stop working properly. But go ahead and click on force stop, and once you tap on force stop, go to storage and tap on clear data and clear your data by tapping on delete. Now once you do this, hold your power button, and as you can see on the screen right now, you'll get an option to restart your phone or power off your phone. Now click on restart and restart your device, and it will help you. Hope this helps. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.